this is the lobby. Radisson Agra. So apparently, in the hotel, and they've given me a free upgrade. So much for being a Radisson loyalist. Yep, a free upgrade. Room number 510. Yeah, here it is. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Here is our room. Oh. Okay, here is our room. Okay. So, as soon as we enter, here's me. This is the washroom. Okay. And here's the bathtub. Alrighty, and this is me. Hello, everybody. All hair ruffled up. And I'm gonna put my cap here. Oh, by the way, you have a closet, a cupboard as you enter. So I'm gonna put my bag here, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah. Okay, a huge mirror, and that's me. Hi, everyone. Okay, so this is the room. A really huge room. Very good, very good. I'm impressed. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is extremely good. This is the view. Oh, that is the Taj Mahal. Look at that. Dude, look at that. Guys. Wow. Would you believe it? But I love it. I'm going to be there tomorrow. Wow. It's looking so beautiful. Gorgeous. I'm going to be there tomorrow early in the morning. So, yeah, super excited about that. And, So, yeah.